Hello YouTube, my name's xgrizleyx and I'm not going to do something like to do with mine, well kind of, but it's going to be a bit harder. I'm looking forward to doing this, a server. I've already created one, which is here. I'm going to do, my server IP is going to be in the description, and I'm going to show you how to create one. For the first of all, you need internet, Minecraft. Oh yeah, this is a Mac tutorial as well, so not for Windows. No, Windows, no. You need Safari or whatever internet you use, like Google Chrome, whatever. Minecraft and text edit. So first of all, you have to go on Minecraft, and then you have to go on Minecraft.net or whatever you want actually. Wait a second, okay, sign in. Yep. Then you have to go and download. And then, this is for Windows, this is for Mac. Click on this one so it downloads. I guess you would need a server, so I'm going to call this one server 2 folder, because I don't want them all to get mixed up in one. So I'm going to clear all of that out. Okay, now I need to go in here, put it inside, open it up, and then double click it, open it. This is very simple, nothing hard. People do is put in a start.command thing. You don't really need it unless your computer is less than 2 GB of RAM, which is here. If it's less than that, you do need a start.command because then it will be like too laggy. But mine's 2 GB, so mine will easily run this. Just let me prepare the world and stuff, and then all of this will come up as well. Preparing the spawn. I just load up. Oh yeah, and you also need to log me in hamatchi, which I'll show you how to download as well after this has been finished. I had a bad cough and my throat was hurting in the morning, so I could have shown you this in the morning, but then my throat was hurting too bad, I didn't do it. My sister interrupting again, as always. I hate her. Come on, quit it. It should automatically quit as well, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So if it doesn't quit after a while, so you can quit it manually as soon as it says saving world and saving chunks for level of world / overworld. Then you can just click it across. But first, let's just stop. Probably because I paused it. That's why it's taking so long. I don't know what this all means. No, this is memory use. How much memory is being used and stuff like that. I know that, but I don't know anything else. If you want to change your world, you get to just take this out and place it wherever you want in the trash or something, and then go on your Minecraft, which I put here, and then go on your saves, and then this is all the maps I've got. So if I want like Gris Cave as my server, I have to just put it inside and name it world. So that's pretty simple. Then oh yeah, back to this. After you've done that, you quit it, stopped it and stuff like that, you need to go on server properties, and you have to open it with text edit as usual, because otherwise it will not work. And make sure it's not formatted like this. If it's formatted like this, you have to go format and make plain text, otherwise it will not work. And this is where you can change everything in your server. So if I want like max players to be like 10, max players will be 10. If I want that, yeah. Soon I'm going to be making like a search and destroy. David's making an actual map on like redstone and stuff, and I'm probably going to be designing it and then putting it as a server, and then soon I'll share it. This is how to change the texture pack, which I don't know yet how to do. I'm going to do that soon. Find out how to do that. This is what I'm going to show you later. This is a seed if you want to find the actual seed. This is allow flight. You need a flight mod with you know the X-ray mod. That's where you get it from. when it says a link to the X-ray mod, there's also underneath it a link to a fly mod. But you can fly, and if this is turned on, you can actually fly. Because if this is turned off and then you fly for at least 5 seconds, they get kicked unless you're opt. So yeah, that's good. This is to turn on the never and stuff. That's generator settings, which I'm going to put on true actually. That's spawn animals. That's hardcore, which is which you use for wars and stuff like that, like survival games. So as soon as you die, you just out of game. I don't know really what that is, but I never changed that anyway. That's monsters. That's generated structures. What is that then? I don't know. I'm going to get rid of that then. And then that's it. So for now, you have to save it, and I'll show you straight after. No, actually, at the end, I'm going to show you this thing, which will always help you with this, and I'm going to put it in the link as well. You need, oh yeah, like I said, you need log me in hamatchi, so you need to go on your Google and then log me in. What is going on? Yeah, let's just go on Google. Okay. And log me in hamatchi. And it doesn't really matter which one you press because it's all the same. There's nothing else which is a difference. So log me in hamatchi download and make sure, and I'm going to tell you, make sure you get the unmanaged version because that's the free version. And always when you're downloading hamatchi, you have to tick this box down at the bottom and then press download now. This is for the managed version, but I don't know what that does. All I've got is that. You press download and then wait a couple of minutes, and then like 2 minutes, 3 maybe, and then it will come up like this, and it'll have 3 of them, like log me in hamatchi, something like, whatever, I'll check. Log me in. I'll have that, and uninstaller, and then I've got mine here, so yeah. This is it. This is my one, and stuff like that. And if you want a new server, this is my server now. I haven't got no one added, so it won't work. But if you want to add a network, you have to go in here and create a network. If you want to join your friends, you have to join an existing network and then put their name inside and a password. You can change if you want to password by doing like set access and then require a password or not, but I don't want a password, so it's easier. So yeah, you have to go and create password, and then let's say this is going to be xgrizleyx2, and the password's going to be like, I don't know, Dom. Yeah, Dom. So I'm going to turn off the password anyway, so come on, create. Okay, now we have this one. Set access and turn off the password. And we have 2 now. We have 2 servers. Possible. I'm really sure how to know which one's which though. I guess you have to turn off one when the other one's turned off because the IP is going to be the same for every single one. Wait a second. Oh yeah, if you don't have hamatchi and it doesn't let you download it, you can always go on here, system preferences, and then go on network, and then go on, and it will be airport, and all of these, which I don't know what it is, but mine's airport I'm using right now, and this is your server IP. So if it doesn't allow you to get hamatchi, just get that, and it's much easier. But then some people can't play as well. So let's put in 2.68.252.214, and then file, save. Okay. Now if I go on Minecraft and turn on, I always highlight it like orange or red or something, but I can see it easily. Going to log on. Sorry for that, I needed to give my dog some food, so this video is probably going to be out today, maybe not, I don't know. So after we've got our Minecraft open, and don't worry about this one. Leave that one. This is my server. Currently, it's off. That's my second server. No, my first one. This is my second one. This is my first one. This is everything that you need in it. And if I turn it on, I don't know what that is. Okay. It's done there. Now, as you can see, it's on. If I go on my one, my current one, that's on right now, it says that I've joined in. And if I just leave it like that, yeah. This is my house, basically. I built this on a different world. I changed the world, actually. So yeah, and this is my server. Anyone can join us. So yeah, I'll tell you everything how to join in my description. So yeah, this is the first server. You can press stop. Stopping. Now we have to add our next server in, which is add server. And my server. It doesn't have to be called the same thing, by the way. So my server 2. I don't really care if you call it the same. Yeah, after doing that, I need to go to server 2 because I need to remember it. Oh, I didn't even put it in. Oh, that's bad. 25.68.252.214. Now file, save, and then on this 25.68.252.214. What? 25.68.252.214. Okay. And it's not working currently. I need to turn it on. I think this is when it starts working. I ain't sure. Will it work? Or will it not work? Let's refresh this. Huh? Well, anyway, this is an example one, so if it didn't work, I'm very sorry because I'm using the same IP address for the same one. Maybe that's why it's not working, because I've got 2 servers running on the same IP. I don't know how to change the IP, so that's a bad thing. Maybe if I turn off this one, go offline. Just want to wait till this loads up. I actually quit that now. Come on. System didn't keep up, but okay. See, now both of them are up and running, so it did work. This is the second one, this is the first one. And they're both running at the same time. Don't know why that is happening, but yeah. And if you want both of them to have like max internet, I think you have to put them both on at the same time. I'm going to try that out actually. I don't know if it will work, but yeah. You could always try. Come on. Okay, now this one's second one's on. Because now perhaps the server is already running on a different port, which is this port. So that's why it can't go on it. Because we've created this, let's go on the second server I've made. And then this is the server I made, so this is going to be how you make it. Just not load up a bit. Let's just let it load up. Because look, as you can see on my raised mini map, I am suffocating the wall. I'm stuck. It doesn't. This doesn't happen all the time. Sorry for that. This is the spawn. It's a bit laggy because I don't know why actually. Because it's probably running 2 servers at the same time. So yeah, you can break blocks as soon as. No. Oh, what? That's why you're not allowed to break blocks from this thingy. But okay, I am not OP, so I cannot just do that because I don't have permission. If I do want permission, I need to go on a console and then go on OP, which stands for like make them up, and then your name, xgrizleyx. You can do that, which I'm going to do, and it says xgrizleyx, and now I can turn on creative. It's a bit laggy, but fine. Probably not loaded up yet. And this is a pretty nice world, actually, if you think about it. Look, there's a normal biome over there, like soon. There's a normal biome over there. I can tell on a raised minimap. See, this is like a rocky biome, with like mountain biome. Sorry for that. With a massive cave. I'm going to keep this world actually. This looks actually really good. If you want seed, I'm going to do it now. /seed. This is seed, guys. This is the seed you want. This. If you want a seed, quickly write it down now. I'll give you 5, 4. Right there. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's gone. I didn't have time to write it down because I got it up twice. So yeah, this is how to make your own server. And now you can join in, add as many people as you want. You can change it in the settings. And I ain't sure how to put mods on it, and I do not know how to make a bucket server. So I don't know. This is it basically. I'm trying to think what I've missed out, if I've missed out anything actually. As soon as I find out how to put in a texture pack, so it's like they have to use that texture pack, or if they want to, I'm going to put that in soon. Oh, this is a sweet world actually. It's like a swimming pool. I might make this my house. And then soon I'm going to get David to play with me, so that's going to be exciting. Making like playing maps like parkour maps, and you'll see how rubbish he is actually. Like what? Wow, that was a fail. I was going to jump on top of that. Yeah, you'll see how rubbish he is. So yeah, goodbye!